A quick insight from Rahimi Law Firm PC, powered by freshnews.ai. Immigration court and appeals support for families explains court representation, potential immigration relief, and appeal options to reduce delays. Executive summary. Immigration court and appeals support for families is the structured process of analyzing decisions, deadlines, and legal options to keep cases eligible for immigration relief. It connects court notices, denial letters, and evidence into organized filings, such as motions, briefs, and appeals that meet specific procedural rules. This coordination allows judges and officers to clearly see family ties, past history, and legal arguments, which can improve the chances of maintaining status, work authorization, and family unity. Today's signal. You may be seeing more hearing notices, denial letters, and long waits while your family, work, and school plans cannot pause. Each notice ties to specific rules on how to respond, what forms and supporting documents to file, and how quickly you must act to protect your case. Missing these short windows can lead to case closure, loss of work authorization, or longer separation from loved ones. Rahimi Law Firm enables represent clients in immigration court and appeals by centralizing packet monitoring, packet publishing, and packet synchronization across end-to-end delivery paths. Why it matters? Here are 4 takeaways. First, your hearing notice or denial letter usually includes strict dates, and missing them can cause your case to be denied or dismissed, even if you still qualify for immigration relief. Second, you may have strong facts but weak presentation if your evidence is scattered, untranslated, or not clearly labeled, which can make it harder for a judge or officer to see your full family situation. Third, your work permit, travel plans, school enrollment, or ability to remain with your children may depend on keeping your case active through motions, appeals, or timely requests for continuances. Fourth, you avoid last-minute panic when you understand early whether you can appeal, file a motion to reopen or reconsider, or pursue a different form of relief that better fits your history and family ties. How it works in practice. The workflow begins when you receive a notice from Immigration Court or USCIS and check the decision type, the response deadline, and where your filing must be sent. You then gather records such as birth certificates, marriage documents, prior applications, criminal or arrest reports if any, and proof of your family, community ties, and organize them into a packet that matches the relief you are requesting. You also prepare a written motion, brief, or appeal that cites the law and explains why the earlier decision was wrong or incomplete. At court, you may testify, present witnesses, and submit updated documents so the judge can review your case. On appeal, you rely mainly on the written record already created, so preparation and organization matter. One practical adjustment. Pull together a single folder with your most recent court notice or denial, your work permit cards, and prior application receipts. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, review your latest court hearing notice or denial letter and highlight every deadline, address, and instruction listed on the document. Second, create a chronological list of your entries to the United States, prior applications, approvals, denials, and work permit start and end dates. Third, gather key supporting documents, such as passports, records, marriage and birth certificates, school or employment records, and any prior immigration court papers into one clearly labeled place. Fourth, schedule a consultation with an experienced immigration attorney to review your notices, discuss possible relief or appeals, and map out the filings needed before your next deadline. Read more at rahimilawyers.com.